What up, though? So today I'm actually going to be showing you how to find your true RMS rating out of your amplifier using a good old Harbor Freight multimeter. First thing you want to do, make sure you have your multimeter set in the ohms. Always do this to check, make sure that everything's going to be working correctly. If I hear that beep, I know I'm good. All I'm going to do is do this. Because now I need to figure out what's my starting ohm load. 1 ohm. Now that we know that my subwoofer is at 1 ohm, go ahead and power everything up. So I'm using a Pioneer radio, and the rule of thumb is you want to have the radio at 85% of the max volume. In this case, it would be volume 34. How much power do you want to put on your woofer? Me, in this case, I want to put anywhere between 1500 to 1600 on my woofer. This is going to give me a current readout. So I have to know what numbers am I looking for times that same number will equal out to these. 35 times 35 which equals this. And then the math, what you're supposed to do is divide by whatever your current ohm load is. In this case, I'm at 1 ohm, which will equal 1,225. Well, keep in mind, I'm trying to stay at 15 to 1600. So my numbers on this need to be higher. It needs to be higher than 35. So let's try 40 times 40 divided by 1 equals 1600. Okay, so my number that I'm looking for, I want to shoot for, is pretty close to 40 off of the multimeter. The next step is switching the knob over to AC, which is the V with the squiggle, and then selecting 200. So what we're going to do, go ahead and play this 40 hertz track. When you're playing a tone, you're going to get a consistent number on that multimeter. But you have to remember, when you're playing music, it's going to be jumping constantly, because music is not just a bum, you know what I'm saying? It's up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 down. You know, it just keeps on moving. So with that being said, you're going to have to take the average number that you see on that multimeter and then input it into the equation. We're going to take our test leads. So as you see, I'm already hitting the numbers that I'm looking for. I already preset mine, but I literally just took a small flathead and I started to slowly turn it until I got to that 40. I'll go ahead, I'm about to start backing it down. And you see how it's dropping? Yeah. So then I start creeping it up. Boom. There you go. And you see, that's how you can figure out what your amplifier is actually putting out. Now, I know there are other devices out there that can do it, but they do come at a nice price tag. And majority of all of us has one of these. I got this one from Harbor Freight. I spent anywhere between $20 or $30 for it. But like I said, I mean, boom. I knew exactly what number I was looking for. Once I seen it on here, get off of the game. Now I know my amplifier will be outputting according to this, and also the equation that I'll probably have posted up here. It's putting out the exact amount of power that I want to put out in the subwoofer. If you guys got any questions or concerns, leave me a message or a comment or anything like that. Y'all take it easy.